Search any song or music. First of all, open your control center. To open control center, just swipe to the bottom from top right corner. Here tap on this pencil icon to edit your panel and select here action panel, edit. Now under available buttons, you have to find out this song search action. Just go ahead and add the song search action to your action panel. Tap on done. Now whenever you want to search a song, just open your control. Here just tap on search, song search. Play a song. And here we can see the song name is showing. By tapping on this song, you can easily find out the specific song name and song singer name, as you can see. So that's how you can actually find any song using S25 series.